Did you know this resort is so deep into nature that to reach here, you need to cross a river in a river raft? Oneness Rishikesh is a luxury resort that's surrounded by such beautiful views, it looks no less than a foreign destination. You get the most luxurious stay surrounded by nature, and it's a perfect way to spend your weekend. With so many activities like bird watching, trekking to beautiful viewpoints, fun activities like tree jumping, rock climbing, camping in nature, there is so much to do here that you just need to forget the outside world and dive right into nature. They also set up a picnic by the river for you while you enjoy the chilled water of Ganga River. Even the food here is so good, even my kiddo approves. और जितनी ब्लिसफुल मॉर्निंग्स होती हैं यहाँ उतनी ही पीसफुल होती हैं यहाँ की नाइट्स विद bonfire and karaoke. With mesmerizing views and all the luxury set up right in nature, I give this place a 10 on 10.
Just 5 hours from Delhi, this unique resort is hands down one of the best we have ever stayed at. And guess what? It's pet friendly too. Firstly, save this reel so you don't forget about this hidden gem, and trust us, you will cherish every moment here. Reaching here isn't that simple. First, a scenic 1.5 kilometer trek, then an exciting river raft ride, and finally, about 100 steps up to the property. But that's what makes it so unique. And once you get there, oh, it's a pure bliss. We were welcomed in full Pahadi style with a tulsi mala, chandan tika, the soothing sound of a flute, and a refreshing welcome drink. Imagine waking up to the sound of the river Ganga, birds chirping, and the natural symphony of nature. This place is disconnected from the world in the best way possible. There are only 9 exclusive villas on the entire property, so it's never crowded. Ours was a luxury villa, and they made us feel really special throughout our stay with this beautiful decor, handmade bouquet, candlelight dinner, and all the warm wishes. The hospitality here is unmatched. Look at these thoughtful gifts for each guest. We felt so cared for throughout our stay. All meals are included and it's pure vegetarian. So delicious and healthy. There are a lot of planned activities as well, like yoga by the beach, sound therapy meditation, guided walk with bird watching, bonfire, stargazing, and many more. Nature lovers, this one is for you. A stay in the lap of nature is exactly what we needed for a perfect weekend getaway. It's a peaceful and a raw beauty. We only stayed for a day, but we wish we stayed longer. Next, we are off to explore another beautiful properties. So hit follow and stay tuned.
Welcome to Oneness. Come follow me. So Oneness is a one-of-a-kind riverside resort in North India. We are near Rishikesh, and if you pan the camera to the right, you can see the significance of this location. We are right next to the holy Ganges, and we are surrounded by beaches, and we are in the middle of Mother Nature. Come, I'll show you more. This is the entrance. As soon as you enter, you can see a vast expanse of an area opening in front of you. So, what you see here is the first unique structure that we've created at Oneness. This is our reception, and it's also a bamboo cottage. And this has been designed by Jan's Bamboo. All thanks to Krunal ji and Shilpa ji and his wonderful team. We were very lucky to get them to for this project and to spend their time and energy on this project. And the final results are fantastic. I'll show you more. Come. So, when we started building this project, the reason we started this project was we found this patch of land which was, although it was a little disconnected from the main cities, but when we came here, the vibe of this place really attracted us to this spot, and we realized that this is within drivable distance of Delhi, and it's bang in the middle of nature, and it's a one-of-a-kind spot. So we wanted to build very, very unique structures here, which haven't been seen anywhere, I dare say, North India so far. So we wanted to build two unique structures. One, the reception, which you can see on my right, and just come forward. And what you see in the distance over there is a very beautiful bamboo hall, a multi-purpose hall, a restaurant cum yoga hall that the Jan's Bamboo team has created. So if you pan the camera back to the reception, come up. So this is a unique structure, and it's made entirely of sustainable materials. It's made entirely of bamboo. Every little element has been handcrafted. There are multiple kinds of bamboos used here. There are thin eucalyptus sticks. There are thick eucalyptus structures. There are Balcoa bamboos. There's a whole design element that has been created out of bamboos for the entry reception experience. The entire structure is entirely made of natural materials. So let me now take you towards the main structure that the Jan's Bamboo team has created for us, and let me show you how beautiful it is, because my words can't do justice to what it's looking like. From here you can see the whole structure in all of its glory. And if you notice the structure, it actually looks like a leaf petal, if you will, and that structure is our yoga hall cum eating area, and that is made entirely of bamboo. All the pillars, all the roofing material, everything is made of bamboo. And now final fit outs and lightings are going on, but I can try to show you a closer look so that you can get to appreciate it. But the whole idea, just like we did for the reception, was to make sure that this structure sort of is an iconic structure in itself. A structure which, when you look at it, you sort of correlate the destination with the structure. And it's wavy, it's free flowing, just like the waves of the Ganges. And to execute this, I can't even imagine the kind of pain that the Jan's Bamboo team went through, because bamboo, as you might know, is not a material which bends easily, and the processes that they followed was to actually bend bamboos to get these curves going, and every single piece of bamboo has been curved manually using a very a chemical process. Let me show you some more. So now you're standing inside the main structure. This this structure is called Her Highness because it pays a homage to Mother Nature, Her Highness the Ganges, because we are right next to the Ganges, and this is the main structure where all events, early morning yoga, mindfulness sessions, even evening buffets can happen. And if you notice, the detailing of the structure is what I was talking about. Just take a closer look at the pillars. Curves of the structure have been manually bent, and each one of them are sustainable materials. They are made of bamboos. The internal cladding, the shingles at the top, everything is made of absolutely natural materials. And in keeping with the theme, we are also keeping natural looking lights. It was a painstaking process, and Krunalji had warned me before we embarked upon this journey that this will not be an easy journey, and it wasn't. But if the final outcome looks like this, then it was a journey which was well worth the pain that we all went through, and the final outcome is absolutely bang on and what we were looking for. So thanks again, Jan's Bamboo team, and this was a passion project, and I couldn't have thought of better people to execute this with. So thanks a lot, and I look forward to hosting all of you, whoever's watching the video, at Oneness in Rishikesh. Thank you.